Dear students, today we are going to discuss about 7th Zoology, Chapter 5, Animals in Daily Life. Textual Evaluation. The first Roman is choose the correct answer. First question is, dash is a daily essential product which is obtained from cattle. The answer is milk. Milk is a daily, every day we can use the milk. The milk is getting from the cattle. Second question is, eggs are rich in protein. Eggs are made up of protein. Third question is, which part of a goat and sheep is used for manufacturing cloths? Hair is an manufacturing of used for cloths. Question number 4. The cultivation and production of silk is known as sericulture. Silk is getting from the silkworm to form a silk cloth. Question number 5. Shorter's disease is otherwise known as anthrax. Anthrax is only affected by cattle and cows. Is affected by the mouth parts and leg. The second Roman is filling the blanks. Proteins and calcium is rich in milk. The second one is honey is extracted from the beehive. Third one is anthrax is caused by Bacillus anthracis. Bacillus is a type of bacteria. Dash is the strongest natural fiber. Silk is the strongest natural fiber. Pea silk was produced in the year 1992. Next Roman is true or false. If false, give the correct answer. Correct answer means correct the statement. The answer, the sentence is wrong, you can correct the statement. And the first one is, animals are greatest gift of nature. True. Question number 2. Horse hair is used as bristles and small painting brushes. So the statement is true. Third one is, wool is a fiber derived from silkworm. The statement is wrong. So you can write false. Wool is getting from the cattle, sheep or cattle. So you can change the statement. Silk is a fiber derived from the silkworm. Next question is, ahimsa silk is otherwise known as mulberry silk. The statement is wrong. So you can write the false. Ahimsa silk is otherwise known as pea silk. Question number 5. Penicillin is the best medicine for curing anthrax. Penicillin is the best medicine. So the answer is true. Next Roman is match the following. Cocoons, silkworm. Pea silks, Andhra Pradesh. Broilers, poultry. Sweet liquid, honey. Goat, meat. Next Roman is analog. No need to learn this. Next, 6th Roman. Very short answer. Write about any two dairy products, paneer and cheese. Every day we can use a lot of dairy products we can use. Any two you can write. Now you can write another examples like ghee, butter. These are an examples. These are two dairy products. They are native food containing protein. They are rich in protein and calcium, are made up of milk. Question number 2. What are the two types of fiber obtained from the animal? Two type fiber means wool and silk. Silk is getting from the silkworm, cocoon of a silkworm. Wool is getting from the fleece of sheep of goat. Next one, what is shearing? Shearing means the fleece of sheep is removed from its body. This is called shearing. What are the next question? What are the symptoms of anthrax? Any two symptoms you can write. The symptoms are fever, cough, shortness of breath, similar to typical pneumonia. Shortness of breath means difficult to breathe. Then pneumonia is a type of fever. It is affected by the throat region. Throat means pharynx. Sometimes it may lead to nausea, vomiting and diarrhea. Next, question number 5. Define sericulture. Sericulture or silk farming is a cultivation of silkworm to produce silk. Second point is, it is the rearing of silkworm to obtain silk. The next question is, how should we treat animals? First one is, we must love and protect animals. Second one is, we should safeguard them and treat them with care. The seventh question is, who invented the ahimsa silk? Kusma Rajai, a government officer from Andhra Pradesh, proposed ahimsa, way of silk production for making silks without killing the silkworm. The next question is, the characters of wool. Write any three. First one is, it is resistant to heat, water, wear and tear. Second one is, it absorbs some moisture. Third one is, wool insulate against the cold. So wool is a good insulator. It does not wrinkle easily. You can write any three. Next one, write about any three uses of silk. Silk has a natural beauty and elegance. It gives a comfort in warm water and warmth during colder months. It is used in the manufacture of classical and high fashion cloths, modern dresses, particularly silk sarees, the elegant of beautiful dresses. Fourth point is, it is also used in a household for making wall hangings, curtains, rugs and carpets. Fifth one is, it is also being used in a manufacture of surgical threads or sutures. You can write only three uses of a silk. Already 5 points are given. You can write only 3 points. The next question is, the common diseases that are found and affected by the poultry. Salmonellosis is a diarrhea caused by a bacteria. Rhinica disease, this is an fowl pox, is caused by virus. Aspergillosis is caused by fungus. Next Roman is, answer in detail. Write about the ahimsa silk. Only 5 points. In a detailed answers, you can write only 5 points. Is enough. The first point is also known as P silks. In 1992, Kusma Raja is a government officer from Andhra Pradesh, state of India, proposed ahimsa way to silk production for making silks without killing the silkworm. Third point is, it involves a human's method, especially letting the worms to catch and then using the vacant cocoons. Fourth point is, traditional silk manufacturing methods involve boiling the cocoons of a silkworm and then shorting out of threads, which is used later in a silk production. It has been supported by many people who are interested in the welfare of animals. You can write any 5 points is enough. Next question, write about hazardous. Hazardous means causes of silk industry. The first one is generally the workers in the silk industry affected with arthritis. Arthritis means joint pain. This is stand for a long time reeling the silk into yarn. The second point is they also develop back pain and visionary problem, skin and skin injuries. Sometimes they may be suffer from respiratory problem like asthma and bronchitis due to poor ventilated area of their work. Next question is, what are the steps for following the wool factory? They are maintained of 5 steps. The first one is shearing, second one is grading, washing, carding and spinning. Shearing is a fleece of sheep is removed from its body is called shearing. Grading or shorting. The fleece of the same sheep may be different from different parts of the body. It is shorted out separate files of similar nature. This is known as grading or shorting. Next method is washing or scouting. The sheared skin means removal of the skin. It can handled thoroughly with soap or detergents to remove the dirties and dust, grease. The next step is carding. The dried wool is carefully removed. These fibers then pass through the rollers, which are covered with fine sheet and thin wire sheet. This process arranges the wool into a flat sheet called a web. The seventh point is the web is drawn into a narrow stand and then passed through the spinning machines. The spinning machines twist the stand into yarn. The yarn is wound to form balls of a wool. The yarn is either weaved into the fabric or retained for netting. The next question is, write the uses of wool. Any 5 uses you can write. The first one is, wool is a multifunctional fiber with a range of diameters that makes it suitable for clothing, household fabrics and technical textiles. The second one is, 2/3 of wool is used for a manufacture of garments including sweaters, dresses, coats and active sports wear. The third point is, blended with other natural or synthetic fibers, wool used add drapes and grease resistant blankets, anti-static and noise absorbing carpets. Thank you, students.